Today, we are going to unbox an Xhorse new product, Key Reader. Here it is. We will open the box now. We will have Key Reader, the user manual, and power adapter. The device is a square box. So, what is Key Reader? It's a professional and portable device designed by Xhorse, which is used to identify car key baiting quickly and accurately. It will work on metal keys and plastic keys. Okay, now let's take a look at the user manual. It's written in both English and Chinese. The power adapter is used to connect the Key Reader to power. And how to use Key Reader? First, connect it to power and turn it on. The screen will display its serial number. We will need a key cutting machine here to finish the cutting work. Choose the appropriate key blank and follow the instructions. Press the button and insert the key you want to copy. Click Start to identify. It only takes seconds to get the result. Now you have the baiting of the key. Insert a key blank following the instruction. Click Start cutting. Key Reader supports all key cutting machines from Xhorse such as Dolphin XP555 or Condor XC Mini Plus. And for those machines without screen, you can finish these steps on your smartphone. Now you got yourself a duplicated key. If you have any other questions, please drop them down in the comment section below. We will see you next time.